Hi guys, so I wanted to make a quick video on Gulf of Mexico region and why I believe this was nothing but a giant quarry for the ancient aliens that dug the entire earth for silicon. As mentioned in there are no forests on earth, and the video that I made a few weeks back. So this is a continuation of that video, and there are, I believe, ample evidence to suggest that this area that we are seeing right now, it's called Gulf of Mexico, was nothing but a giant mining quarry which was dug out. So if we look into this area without the sea water, we will see this, guys. So those who have seen the video by the Russian video, they will be amply familiar that this looks nothing like a natural ocean floor. This was clearly dug out, and as you can see the step by step cutting of this formation. So they put the excavator somewhere here and they dug this entire surface out, and I was looking for a similar mine, and we found a similar mining pit in Australia, guys. So this is very similar to the surface dugout place in Gulf of Mexico. Now if we put both side by side, it's very similar. So here, guys, now if you see, you cannot even make it out if this is Gulf of Mexico and this is a mine in Australia. So this is eerily similar to what we are seeing in Gulf of Mexico. So I believe that they dug the entire silicon material, or whatever trees or organisms were there in Gulf of Mexico, and they took it out. So Gulf of Mexico is nothing but a giant quarry, guys, and I believe the crude oil and all the ocean seawater, as I explained in my last video, is nothing but a chemical waste, guys. So we came out of, as the scientists say, that we came out of the ocean, the mammalian life, the marine life. It is nothing but we came out of the ocean waste, guys. So this giant excavator, I am not a good designer, but if we put that excavator here, it could explain why we have a arc in Gulf of Mexico. This arc in Gulf of Mexico, Texas, this was produced by this excavator, guys. So they dug it out from here, and this whole area was dug out by this excavator. That is the reason we are having this arc of in Mexico like this. So this is the reason for this arc. So we will go to the chemical process, as I have explained to you more in depth in my last video, that Earth has second most abundance of silicon, and carbon is somewhere down here. It's like silicon is 1,000 times more on Earth than carbon. So this was planet was a completely silicon life form, which it was destroyed. And as I mentioned, the ocean, there was no water, guys. There was no ocean at all in this earth. The ocean water, what we are seeing right now is just a chemical solution to react with silicon. So I will show this chemical reaction, why the natural form of silicon that we found is called silicon dioxide. So as we can see, even today silica is converted to silicon by reduction with carbon. So carbon is nothing but a chemical agent to convert silicon dioxide, guys, which is used in semiconductor industry. So they brought carbon from outside sources, and they use hydrofluoric acid. As I explained in my last video, hydrofluoric acid is created by use of hydrogen fluoride and water. So water is just a chemical solution to create hydrofluoric acid, and as I searched in my last video, like hydrofluoric acid is nothing but it oxidizes in the presence of hydrocarbon. So even hydrofluoric hydrogen fluoride is oxidized in the presence of hydrocarbon, and we know hydrocarbon is nothing but crude oil, guys. So this is the reason Gulf of Mexico has lot of oil, crude oil. So this is this area was nothing but a giant silicon processing mining pit, guys, and they the reason why we are seeing so much crude oil is because of the chemical reactions they produced. So offshore oil, because it covers for 17% of total US crude oil production. So Gulf of Mexico has lot of crude oil. This is because of we have to actually go reverse, you know. So why oil is so much abundance in Gulf of Mexico? This is because of hydrocarbon. Why hydrocarbon? Because it is due to hydrogen fluoride. So to make hydrogen fluoride, they have to oxidize it, so with hydrocarbon. So why you need hydrogen fluoride? For hydrofluoric acid, when it is mixed with water, we get hydrofluoric acid. So why you need hydrofluoric acid? To react with silicon dioxide, which is what we call quartz crystal, guys. This was a crystalline planet, and this is what they mined it and milled it to produce semiconductor. So I believe that lot of oceans has oil, and Gulf like Saudi and Middle East has oil, because that was a giant ocean, as explained by scientists. So the entire ocean is nothing but a chemical waste. I would yeah, so this is what like I wanted to make a video on it, but I would really suggest the mark of the beast 666, it's V. But the Asgard, this is the guy who created the original video, guys. The some Russian guy who was a fan of flat earth, he you know took this concept and his ideas, Asgard. So I will put a link in the description, guys. Check out his channel. He is the real author of There Are No Wood in the Forest. His original like title was There Are No Woods on Earth, but that guy who hacked his work gave a different name, There Are No Forest on Flat Earth. So if you are, you know, not into flat earth movement, you can still go through his work, because he is the real deal, guys. He explains it more perfectly, like what was the reason for silicon life and how it was destroyed by beings and how they converted this, etc. So I would put his website as well. So if you are more interested in the silicon life form and how our planet was destroyed, etc., I would really recommend you to go through his website and get more information. So yeah, guys, thank you.